What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best electric bikes that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The HappyRun G50 presents a compelling blend of power, endurance, and versatility, making it an ideal choice for adventurous riders seeking both performance and comfort. With its 1500-watt brushless motor, this electric bike delivers robust propulsion, enabling speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, ensuring swift and efficient commuting. Equipped with a large-capacity 48-volt 18-amp-hours removable lithium battery, the HappyRun G50 offers an impressive range of up to 68 miles on a single charge in pedal assist mode, making it suitable for long-distance rides. Additionally, its 3 riding modes, pure electric, pedal assist, and normal bike, provide flexibility to adapt to various road conditions and rider preferences. Featuring oversized 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires and a dual shock absorption system, including front fork and seat post suspension, the HappyRun G50 ensures stability and comfort across diverse terrains, from sandy beaches to rugged mountain trails. Its chromoly steel frame enhances durability while maintaining a sleek and retro-chic design. Safety is prioritized with the inclusion of a 12-channel controlling BMS system for swift power reaction, along with a dual-pressure disc brake system for reliable braking performance, even in high-speed or wet conditions. Front and rear turn signals further enhance visibility and safety during commutes. With easy assembly and an intuitive LCD digital display, the HappyRun G50 offers a hassle-free riding experience, suitable for both novice and experienced riders alike. Whether navigating city streets or embarking on off-road adventures, this electric bike delivers unparalleled performance, comfort, and reliability. The Actbest Core is a versatile and efficient option designed for adult riders seeking a reliable commuting or leisure companion. Featuring a powerful 500-watt brushless motor and a 36-volt 13-amp-hours removable battery, this electric bike offers impressive performance and range. With a top speed of 22 miles per hour and a range of up to 50 miles per charge, it's well suited for various riding needs. Equipped with a 7-speed transmission and 26-inch tires, the Core electric bike ensures smooth navigation through different terrains, including mild hilly areas. Its 3 riding modes, manual, pedal-assisted, and pure electric, provide flexibility and adaptability for different riding preferences and conditions. The removable built-in battery is easy to charge and features a waterproof, shockproof design for enhanced safety and durability. With a charging time of 4 to 6 hours, riders can quickly get back on the road with minimal downtime. Enhancing the riding experience, the Core electric bike features an LCD screen for easy monitoring of key information such as speed and battery level, along with a USB charging port for added convenience. Safety features include front and rear disc brakes for all-weather performance, dual front suspension, front and rear safety lights, and a 5-level pedal assist system for comfortable and safe riding. Overall, the Actbest Core offers a blend of power, range, and convenience, making it an ideal choice for daily commuting, traveling, and sightseeing adventures. Whether navigating city streets or exploring outdoor trails, this electric bike delivers a comfortable, efficient, and enjoyable riding experience for riders of all levels. The Jansno X50 is a powerful and versatile option designed for adults seeking adventure both on and off-road. Featuring a robust 750-watt brushless motor and a long-lasting 48-volt 14-amp-hours removable battery, this electric bicycle offers impressive performance and range. Its 20-inch fat tires, coupled with a sturdy carbon steel frame, ensure stability and durability on various terrains, from snow-covered paths to sandy beaches and mountain trails. With 3 working modes, pedal assist mode, fully electric mode, and pedal mode, riders have the flexibility to choose the level of assistance they prefer. The removable battery adds convenience for recharging at home or the office. The bike's high-precision engineering design includes a lockable suspension fork for a more comfortable riding experience, while front and rear mechanical disc brakes provide reliable stopping power. The Shimano 7-speed transmission allows for customization of riding performance, whether tackling steep climbs or cruising at top speed. Equipped with features like a bright LED headlight for safe night riding, a clear LCD display for monitoring speed and battery power, and a front-wheel quick-release design for easy installation and transport. Overall, the Jansno X50 offers a blend of power, durability, and versatility, making it an ideal choice for commuting, leisure riding, and off-road adventures alike. Whether navigating city streets or exploring rugged terrain, this electric bike delivers a thrilling and enjoyable riding experience for cyclists of all skill levels. The Ancheer Sunshine offers a versatile and powerful ride, suitable for adults seeking efficient commuting or adventurous mountain biking experiences. With its robust electric system, riders can enjoy up to 50 miles per charge using low pedal assist, thanks to the removable 48-volt 374 watt-hours battery and 500-watt brushless geared motor, capable of reaching speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. This electric bike provides flexibility with 4 working modes: pedal assist mode with 5 power levels, throttle mode, cruise mode, and pure pedal mode. The LCD digital display conveniently shows gear position, speed, and mileage, enhancing the riding experience with intelligent features. Designed as a mountain bike, the Ancheer Sunshine boasts an aluminum alloy frame for lightweight durability and a high-strength carbon steel fork for stability. Its 21-speed transmission system allows riders to adapt to various terrains, while the front and rear disc brakes ensure safety. The 27.5-inch by 2.1-inch tires offer stability and traction on different surfaces. An innovative PX54 integrated waterproof line and lockable suspension fork design provide convenience and adaptability to different road conditions. Additionally, the bike's easy assembly process, with 85% pre-assembly, ensures a hassle-free setup for users. In summary, the Ancheer Sunshine combines power, versatility, and convenience, making it an excellent choice for commuters and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Whether navigating city streets or tackling rugged trails, this electric bike offers a smooth and enjoyable ride. The Jasion EB7 2.0 offers a blend of power, convenience, and comfort, tailored for adult riders seeking versatility and reliability. Featuring a compact design and foldable frame, this electric bike is ideal for urban commutes and adventurous outings alike. Equipped with an 850-watt peak motor, the EB7 reaches a maximum speed of 28 miles per hour, making it suitable for various terrains and commuting needs. The 48-volt 10-amp-hours removable lithium battery provides a range of 20 to 40 miles per charge, ensuring ample mileage for daily journeys. Additionally, the removable battery design enhances charging convenience. Designed for comfort, the EB7 features dual suspension, with an 80mm travel front suspension fork and rear seat suspension, providing excellent shock absorption and stability. The 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires offer superior grip and puncture resistance, ensuring a smooth and confident riding experience. Safety is prioritized with front and rear mechanical disc brakes, along with a bright headlight and adjustable rear light for enhanced visibility during night rides. The half-twist throttle helps prevent accidental activation, ensuring rider safety. The bike's humanized design includes an intuitive LCD digital display, showing speed, battery charge, pedal assist level, and travel distance. A USB charging port allows convenient phone charging on the go, while the 7-speed system enables riders to choose their preferred speed. With its combination of power, comfort, and safety features, the Jasion EB7 2.0 offers a reliable and enjoyable riding experience for urban commuters and recreational cyclists alike.